When people think of emergencies, they imagine chaos, flashing lights, sirens, everyone rushing outside. But sometimes the safest thing you can do is the opposite. Sometimes safety means staying put or to shelter in place. To shelter in place, or SIP for short, means staying inside a secure location during an emergency. Not because you're trapped, but because what's outside is more dangerous. That could be during a chemical release, an active shooter situation, or a severe weather event. According to ready.gov, staying indoors during those moments can greatly reduce your exposure to hazards such as smoke or airborne chemicals. Here is a typical shelter-in-place sign. You'll usually see these posted in workplaces or public buildings. Now, at my job, we also have our own shelter-in-place kit ready. Inside, we've got the basics: bottle of water, flashlight, batteries, first aid supplies. We also have these plastic sheetings and duct tape and gloves and even masks. FEMA recommends at least 1 gallon of water per person, plus something to help you communicate or stay informed, such as a radio or a charge phone. Now, these items might seem simple, but during an emergency, they can make all the difference between confusion and stability. Some workplaces, like hospitals and schools, already keep kits like this on hand. Also, OSHA requires every workplace to have an emergency action plan that outlines what to do if evacuation isn't an option. Still, many people don't think about these preparations until a crisis occurs. We can't predict when emergencies will happen, but we can prepare for how we'll respond. Now, take a second and think about your own space. If a shelter-in-place order was called right now, would you be ready? Do you know where you'd go or what you need to keep yourself safe? That quick reflection can shift your mindset from uncertainty to preparedness. Here's the reality. Most households in the USA don't have full emergency kits. Even though many people predict or expect events like heat waves or power outages each year, that shows how easy it is to underestimate preparedness until it's too late. Now, safety doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it's quiet. It's a flashlight in the drawer, a sealed window, or just a clear plan. So the next time you see a SIP sign or notice a shelter-in-place kit at work, think of it more than just a box of supplies. It's a sign of readiness, a reminder that preparation creates peace of mind when the unexpected happens. Thank you.